What's up out there, YouTube? Double D with Tournage, Dubois. Welcome back. Today we've got an exciting episode because we are this close, well maybe this close, to being done with the project of the building, the shop build. So just the other night, which will be the first of the time-lapse clips we jumped to, my buddy Jim at Garner Wood on Instagram, and I'll put his info down below. He came over and we ran ductwork for all the dust collection down to the blast gates. So will be some fine tuning beyond that, but the majority of that is done, which is a big deal. The other thing is tonight, my wonderful wife has decided to help me out. She does exist. But we're going to do the epoxy floor. So we're using the Rustoleum rock solid kit. And I'll jump over real quick to show you what that looks like. So with this kit, you get a metallic additive. So we are doing the metallic blue that will get put into the epoxy. And then you have the universal base floor coating, and we'll put that on. According to Rustoleum, it uses one kit for about 100 to 125 square feet. We're just a little over 200 square feet that we're doing the floors in here. So I got 3 kits because everything I've looked at online says use more than you need. They said double. I'm going to go with 3 in the area of 2. So we'll see how this works out. We'll get that on time lapse as well. So that'll be the second piece. And then when we come back tomorrow, which will be Saturday, then we will look at everything, take a look at the floor, show you all that, and then do the wrap up. And then I'm hoping on Sunday we'll be able to start moving tools in because all the electrical's done. Everything is ready to roll. So we will catch you in a little bit after all the time lapse. welcome back. Hope you guys really enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun to do, a lot of learning experiences, things like that. So the great thing is the floor is done. And I'll flip it around and show you that here in just a minute. But big thanks to Jim for coming over and helping out with the dust collection. And then of course, big thanks to Sarah, as always, for supporting me, as well as for helping with the floor. The videos I've watched on this specific project always say that you need more than what they suggest. I started out with 3 kits, ended up getting a total of 5 of these kits to get a good coating. I wanted to make sure I didn't run into issues where other people were having, where it was too thin or you could see through it. So I wanted to go extra thick just to make sure. I'll flip it around here. I'm really happy with how this looks. There's some areas that you can see that are a little bit thicker just because I went back over some spots after I got the part, but for the most part this looks really, really good. Few minor blemishes. I'm not super worried about it because it is in the workshop after all. It's going to be covered with sawdust and things, and we'll work through that, and it's going to look cool. It's going to be easier to sweep and keep the dust and things to a minimum. So other than that, we are just going to start getting the garage cleared out of everything and start moving things in slowly so I can get back to work and get some projects done. So really looking forward to that. Thanks for sticking around with me through this shop build. Hopefully next weekend we'll have a wood turning video and a woodworking project back in process. So huge thanks. Additionally, I did get a package the other day from Todd and Shannon over at Duca Heritage. Big thank you for the little shop warming blanks. I'll get something really cool turned. I'll show some pictures of those. I'll show those in the next week's video. I'll do a little package opening for that part so you guys can all see that. But for the most part, super happy with this. Glad it's over. It was fun to do. I will say it was definitely interesting. It'll be fun to lay it out, see how things work, and move forward. So big thanks once again for all of you for following along, sticking with me, and I'll have some pictures up of the process through the end. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next week.